Hey there, I'm Kai, your AI math coach. Today we're tackling one of the most valuable skills for the SAT math section, substitution. So what exactly is substitution? It's the process of replacing variables with specific values provided in the problem. The key is to read carefully, identify what you're solving for, and then replace the variables precisely. For example, if we have y equals 2x plus 3 and x equals 4, we substitute 4 for x to get y equals 4 plus 3, which equals 11. Simple, right? This fundamental skill will help you solve many SAT math problems quickly. Let's focus on 3 key strategies that will make substitution questions easy points on your SAT. First, read the problem carefully. Identify exactly which variable you're solving for and what values you're given. Second, substitute accurately. Take your time and double check that you've replaced the correct variable with the right value. Third, don't overthink these problems. The SAT includes substitution questions because they're straightforward. They're designed to be quick wins if you follow the steps correctly. Now let's put these strategies into action with some practice problems. I'll guide you through each step so you can see exactly how to approach substitution questions confidently on test day. Let's work through our first example. We have the equation x minus 1/2 times a equals 0, and we're told that x equals 1. Our job is to find the value of a. Looking at the equation, we can use substitution. Step 1. Replace x with 1, giving us 1 minus 1/2 times a equals 0. Step 2. Add 1/2 times a to both sides, which gives us 1 equals 1/2 times a. Step 3. Multiply both sides by 2, and we get a equals 2. Notice how straightforward this process is when we follow each step methodically. For our second example, we have the equation x equals 2/3 times y, and we're told that y equals 18. This time, we need to find the value of the expression 2x minus 3. This requires a two-step substitution process. First, we find the value of x by substituting y equals 18 into the equation. So x equals 2/3 times 18, which is 36 divided by 3, giving us 12. Now that we know x equals 12, we substitute it into the expression 2x minus 3. That gives us 2 times 12 minus 3, which is 24 minus 3, and that equals 21. Notice how we broke the problem into manageable steps using substitution. This is exactly what you should do on test day. Let's solve one more example. We're given the equation 3r equals 18, and we need to find the value of the expression 6r plus 3. This is another classic substitution problem. First, we solve for r. From 3r equals 18, we divide both sides by 3 and get r equals 6. Now that we know r equals 6, we substitute this into the expression 6r plus 3. That gives us 6 times 6 plus 3, which is 36 plus 3, and that equals 39. Remember, on the SAT, these types of substitution problems are designed to be straightforward if you follow the process step by step. Don't let them trick you into overthinking. Great work. Let's review what we've learned about substitution. Remember, substitution is your secret weapon for earning quick points on the SAT. Always start by carefully reading the problem to identify exactly what you're looking for. Replace variables methodically with the given values and double check your work for accuracy. Most importantly, approach these questions with confidence. They're designed to be straightforward if you follow the process step by step. With a little practice, substitution problems will become some of your favorite questions on test day. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Kai, your AI math coach, and I hope these strategies help you excel on your SAT. Remember that consistent practice is key to mastering substitution and other math techniques. With these skills in your toolkit, you'll be well prepared to tackle the math section with confidence. Best of luck on your test day, and keep crushing those math problems.